In this video, we'll cover inside corners, window and door details, and top row termination. For inside corners, always run vertical cuts into the corner, so the cut edge is hidden. The adjoining wall panel overlaps the cut, creating a clean, continuous corner. Installing around windows and doors follows the same method. Here, we're working around a window. First, install a properly sized J-channel above and beneath the window flashing. After cutting the tile panel to fit the long side and beneath the window, trim the bottom hangers of the panel into short nubs. Pop the top edge into the channel. Tilt the panel inward so the nubs lock onto the panel below. Along window sides, leave about 1/8 of an inch for caulking. Above the window, install a perforated J-channel over the upper flashing, leaving space for drainage. Cut panels to fit and allow clearance for flashing dams. At the top of the wall, terminate into the soffit using a J-channel. Cut the panel horizontally a 1/4 inch short of the tile measurement. This allows room for the panel hanger nubs to drop into place. Trim the hangers into nubs and pop the cut edge into the channel to complete the installation. For more information, refer to the Stonetile installation guide.